Okay. So, one of the things we're going to put on Blue Sky is a sewage treatment plant. Well, not a plant, but a sewage treatment system. And it's going to be the Electroscan. Oh, and this is Jazz here. And so first one came in today, and so I figured we would do a little unboxing video here. So, and the dog is really interested in this. He does follow Jeannie into the bathroom all the time, so.
You got a really nice shirt on there, honey, for the video.
Thank you. Would you like me to take this shirt off? Well, this is interesting. It's in the box upside down. There's the bottom of it. But hey, the arrows, you know, it says up. So apparently they ship it to you upside down. Maybe what you're supposed to do is then flip it over. I don't know. But let's see. And oh, there's the unit. Yeah, that's pretty compact. What?
My screen blanked out.
Yeah, it does. You can just touch it and it'll come back. It's just, you know, normally you're not watching the screen a lot of times. So there's the little Electroscan unit. So poop goes in there or goes in there. And low fecal count water comes out here. And it looks like it comes with some parts. Let's see, what else does it come with? So, looks like 1/2-inch connections. Let's say 1/2 inch. Yep, 1.5 inch. And then,
you want, here, show that.
Yeah, there's 1.5 inch little bag of hardware that comes with it. And then we have the manual or instructions. And I don't think there's one more little box down here, but I don't think there's anything in that. Just looking down, awful lot of weight in that box, though. Nope, maybe there is something. Wow, there is something else in there. Thought that was packing. Oh, yeah, it's the entire control system and whatnot. So you got the cycle controller and starting and stopping it manually. And then the little control computer. So anyway, that'll be working on getting that, figuring out exactly, well, we know where it's approximately going to go, just got to work on getting it installed and everything. But anyway, that's kind of everything you get with the Electroscan in a package and whatnot. Thank you very much. Okey-dokey.